Hello everyone, I am super stoked to be able to teach one of my favorite classes. You are never too old to eat kohlrabi through the Osher Lifelong Learning Institute at CSU, Colorado State University here in Fort Collins. It's going to be on Zoom, so no matter where you're at, you can join me. It's going to be from 1 to 3 Mountain Time. 2 successive classes, October 15th and the 22nd. And what's important is the deadline to register is Tuesday, October the 8th. So get your seat, okay? It's gonna be lots of fun. It's gonna be part cooking class, part demo, part discussion. You're gonna learn about all the different types of plant-based lifestyles that are out there, and there's a lot, okay? I'm not adhering to any one of them. My goal is just to help you see how expansive eating more plants is and adding things like, oh my God, this amazing purple cauliflower to your eating pattern. So I hope you'll join me. And be sure and get your seat in. It's Tuesday, October the 8th. We've got to get your seat in, and we're just gonna have a great time. No pressure. You don't have to want to be a vegan, vegetarian. The important thing is you just want to learn how to just be plant curious. So let's just eat more plants, and I hope to see you on Tuesday, October 15th at the first class.